how to make a mini Lego airplane. So to start our airplane off, we will take these 3 pieces. Whoopsies. If you don't have this piece, use a 1x3 flat tile or not a tile. And you'll put them all together like this. And what I mean, if you don't have these 3 pieces, which everybody should have this black piece right here, but if you don't have the 1x3 flat tile, then you can use these 3 pieces. And then you'll put them all together like this, and then this. And then it should spin. Same exact thing with this one. It should spin. So for our wing, we're gonna need to take this and a 2x2. Place a 2x2 in the middle of your 2x6. Before we continue, we need to take this and place it underneath. There we go. If you don't have this part, place the other one underneath, like this. Should spin. Whoops, it broke. And this one should also spin when you attach it. Then you will take these 3 pieces and you will put them together like so. Now you'll take this piece, whichever propeller you have, whether it's one of these, and you'll place it. I'm gonna put it back together. Okay, and then you'll place it right behind your propeller. And that's how you make a mini airplane. And if you have the other one, this is what it should look like at the end. And by the way, you can use any color scheme that you want. I just use these pieces because I thought it looks very sleek. And by the way, once again, that is how to make a mini Lego airplane. And now, I would like to thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!